Okay, we'll just do the whole problem together just to make things more clear. It says if you deposit $9,000 now, that's one deposit. How much we have in the account in 4 years? This is going to be a compound interest problem. So I'm just going to write out the formula. P sub n equals P sub 0 times 1 plus R over K to the nk power. And this is just from the formula sheet on our course materials page on Blackboard. So I have my R, I have my N, I have my K is 12, and I deposit $9,000 now. That's P sub 0. So we'll call this part A. So I have P sub n, the final amount, is equal to 9,000 times 1 plus, oops, come on now, just froze on me. 1 plus 0.023 over 12 to the 4 times 12. So I'm just going to simplify that. I'll do that quickly because you said you already had that. We'll just make sure our answers match up. I start with R over K. That's 0.023 divided by 12. That's 0.001916. So I'm just going to add 1 to that plus 1. So that's this whole parenthesis. Now I have to raise that to the power of 4 times 12. I'm going to raise it to the power of 48. So basically I end up with P sub n equals 9,000 times, what did we get here? 1.09627. Okay, use as many decimal places as you can. So then I multiply that times 9,000. And since this is money, we'll round it 2 places. This is $9,866.41. 9,800 and what did I just say? $66.41. What was the interest earned? Well, interest earned is just going to be how much is in the account minus your deposit. $9,000 of this is your money. So if you subtract that, 9,000 from this amount, you're just left with 866.41. Okay, now this says, we'll do this in green. Now suppose you would like to have $20,000 in the account in 4 years. How much do you need to deposit now? So now we don't know what this number is. We're looking for P sub 0. Okay, and we'll have this number. So what I'll do is I'm just going to erase all this. Everything else is the same. Everything else is exactly the same. So this is just going to be 20,000 equals P sub 0 times this thing. So the last step, you can do it all from the beginning again. I just know there's no reason to because we already have this whole thing simplified. Okay, so here you could either just solve this thing again, or I know this is going to be this. So then the last step here to get P sub 0 by itself is just to divide both sides by this number. So I'm just going to do 20,000 divided by, I'm just going to go grab that, 1.09628, yada, yada, yada. So if I want $20,000 at the end of 4 years, I need to deposit $18,243.71. $18,243.71. And there's your answer.